In May 2008, a group of kayak anglers joined Jim Sammons of East Cape Kayak Fishing for some fun and exciting kayak fishing action. Here are some highlights from that trip.
First day of the trip here in May, and been fishing a few minutes, and Craig hooked up on the jig on the bottom. All right, we got Tom on over here. The second fish of the day, or actual fish rather than a rock. There you go. Hey, a fish on the boat. Gonna keep this one out of the rocks? Man, it's just an absolutely gorgeous day out here this morning. A little bit of cloud cover, keeping it a little cooler, and flat, calm seas. Got the Rosa Maria over here. Got 8 kayaks on the water. I'm in the Bohemia with Alonso. Got Craig on his second or third fish of the morning. Nothing spectacular so far, mainly some rockfish. Got a cabrilla and some bonita. But good start for the first day of the trip. Get everybody kind of warmed up and figuring things out. Oh, nice Murado. Good fish. Careful you don't dunk your reel in the water there, brother. So you always want at least a rod's length of line.
This fish, called a Morado, is actually an amberjack that is more red in color.
There you go. Now get it out from in front of your face. Bonita. There's Skippy. Got something good there, Tom? Well, the bonita are certainly more sporty than the those rockfish we were catching. Yeah. There you go. That firm grip.
For the beginning kayak angler, these bonita are a great fight and a lot of fun. Also a great way to learn the techniques for landing fish in the kayak.
Al hooked up there. Tom out there. Monica over there. So we got a few fish going here.
The white bonita also makes some of the best sashimi you'll ever try.
There you go. Good job, Al. Alright, got Craig on another fish here. Basically been whacking bonita. Says this is a better fish, so see what happens. Got another Murado? You want to grab my still camera and take a picture, Tom? It's hard to tell, it's all to belly, but watch that jig.
On our guided trips down into Baja, we always use a support boat just in case somebody needs a little help along the way. It's also a great way to get from place to place, so you get more fishing time and less paddling.
You forget something over there, Cal? There are paddles over there. Back up, back up, back up, back, 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 back.
Oh shit, I just lost my tool! Sorry, honey.
Yeah, she finally hooks a fish and starts losing everything. Oh, roosterfish! Okay. Just keep its head in the water. You have it unhooked? Yeah, it's a big school of Jack Crevalle, and this sea lion is just going crazy on him. Okay, well, it's been a very slow morning, very windy, but we're fishing up here at the lighthouse. It's got the call, and Kev is on the fish. So hoping it's the right kind. Good bend in the rod, so it's a good chance it's the right kind. Either a jack or a rooster. Tow him around a little bit and that prowler big game. Just south of the lighthouse at Punta Arena. Got Kevin here on a, seems like a decent fish, taking it for a nice ride. The fish wants to head out to open water. You had that rod floating way out behind it, and he just wrapped around it. Nice rooster!
Yeah.
There's no teeth, nothing to worry about. You can grab him by the tail or whatever. You want to get him across your lap, we'll get a still photo and then release, all right? Nice rooster! Going for a swim on the other side. Oh, your rod. There you go. Trying to get him in there, but hold on to him. Don't just release him. You know, get him down. There you go, just like that, and then kind of move him from side to side. Get that pulse going in his body. There's a little going on. I can see his pectorals. Swam down. Congratulations, man, your first rooster. Good stuff, and you made it entertaining by bouncing him off the boat.
Roosterfish are one of our favorite sport fish to catch down in Baja, so we always do our best to try and release them healthy so we can find them again another day. One of the truly amazing things about fishing the Sea of Cortez is you never know what you'll see. On this day, we got entertained by a pod of humpback whales.
Got some whales breaching out on the horizon out there. They're way out there, so this video is kind of shaky. Very cool. Like, yeah, I got that one. You just see him rolling around out there. Got his big old flipper sticking up out of the water. Like slapping the water with his flippers.
If you'd like more information about a kayak fishing adventure in Baja, please visit our website eastcapekayakfishing.com or kayakforfish.com, and you can read all about our great trips. If you'd like to see more exciting kayak fishing action, look for our movie, Game On, a kayak fishing adventure, due for release spring of 2009. And make sure you visit our new website, kayakfishingmovie.com, to read all about what we're up to.